everyone. Welcome or welcome back. I am Atiksha, your resident bibliophile and the author of Whispers of Womanhood, a poetry collection. This is my November TBR. Last month, I combined my TBR plus the books that I had read, but this month I plan on doing two separate videos for this because the last one was a little too long. So let's begin. Most of these are arcs that I have. This is the November TBR that I have. Most of the books are arcs. So let's get into this. The first book that we have is this, The Backup Plan, which I have already read. I completed this book on 1st November. I was barely holding it together to keep this one until November. The release of this book is 7th, so I have completed it. The review will either already be up or will be coming very soon. This is a new series by the author, Eden Finley. It is still part of Saidenverse. If you are not aware, Eden Finley and Saxon James have a series of books, sports novels about NHL players. So this is part of that universe, but this is not part of the collaboration that these two amazing authors have. The new series is King Sports, Book 1. This is Thad and Kelly's story. We met these two people in a previous book. We met these two people in this novel, which was Can't Say Goodbye. This was a poly love story of Brady and his two Navy SEALs. And Thad was Brady's co-worker, and Keely was Brady was Keely's agent, or he was made Keely's agent somewhere around the same time. And this is this is an enemies to lovers story, but not enemies in the sense that they hate each other. Enemies in the sense that Thad wants everything that Keely has, and that is all this is about. The next book, the one that I am currently reading, it's 4th November today, and this one will be released on 10th. And the book that I am reading, it is this, Call Me Rumpel by Jennifer Eaglin. I have read this author's previous book and the review is available on my Instagram. It's a mystery, a YA mystery novel about teenagers getting into teenage shenanigans with a little bit of murder and mayhem happening. Maybe, maybe not. We'll find out when we read this book. The next one, there are 3 books that I have. There are 2 arcs that I have that will be released on 12th. The first one is this, The Crack at the Heart of Everything by Fiona Fenn. I don't remember what this book is about. I got this arc on NetGalley. The next book that is being released is this, The Princess of Marimar. This is the second book in the Heirs of Estran series. The first one is this, The Prince of Tarana. This is a romantasy series. It has 4 novels. This is the second one being released, and the other 2 will be released subsequently. The next book that I have is, the next arc that I have is this, but this is the second book. This is the first book of this series, The Shadows Beyond by T.J. Rose. And the next book is this, The Light Within, which is the continuation of that book. This one will be released on 15th of November. The next arc that is being released is this, Just for the Holidays. This is a small novella. This one will be released on 27th of November. And then we have this, Temptations of the Past by Julia Aberg. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Again, a romantasy novel. This one will be released on 29th of November. The last arc that I currently have is this, The Crimson Snow by Laura Vega. This will be released on 30th November. The next books that I have are carried over from the previous month. I was not able to read these books in October. The final book of this series, which is this one, The Fallen Souls, was released 18th of October, and I wasn't able to read this because this is a 3-book series and I have not read even one. I do plan on reading it this month. I was just a little too busy last month. Hopefully I'll be able to get to it this month. So we have Fallen Idols. I did start it, but Fallen Idols. This is the Fallen Favorite series. This is a completed series by Amelia Rose. Fallen Idols, Fallen Foes, and the last one, Fallen Souls. Hopefully this would be the month that I complete this. If not, I'll complete it in December, because as of right now, I do not have any arcs for December. Hopefully, even if I do get any arcs in December, they'll not be as full as this. So that is all for the arcs. Other than that, these are the 2 books, physical books, that I am currently reading. These are again being carried over from October. I started this and I will be continuing this as my journal. It's not over, so this will be continued, and I have no delusions that this will be completed this month, because again, I'm taking it slow. I'm enjoying the prose and poetry that is written here. I am using it as a journal, so this is going to take some time. The next one is Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. This is how much I have read this. Okay. I will be starting chapter 1. I've only read the letters up until this point. I love the way she has written this novel. I have not read anything about this. This is kind of a situation that it's a classic. You know the story, but you've never read it, never seen it. I've never seen a movie. I've never seen anything. So it's finally time that I get into this. This is, again, like I said, beautiful book. If anyone hasn't read this and are on the fence, I highly recommend this book. There's a reason this is a classic, and you will figure out why that is on the very first page. This edition has this author's introduction to standard novels edition, and in this she has written a few things about why she doesn't write romance, kind of. She has written this: I did not make myself the heroine of my tales. When she was writing during her childhood, this is what she talks about. I did not make myself the heroine of my tales. Life appeared to me too commonplace an affair as regarded myself. I could not figure out to myself that romantic woes or wonderful events would ever be my lot. But I was not convinced. But I was not confined to my own identity, and I could people the hours with creations far more interesting to me at that age than my own sensations. It's a beautiful book. And that is everything for this month. I'll see you in the next video, where I will talk about everything that I read in October. I forgot about this book. This is my first audiobook as an arc, which I do plan on listening to this month, the night before Christmas. I'm guessing this is a fun Christmassy book. I'll find out probably this week. Thank you for staying with me. Bye bye.